This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. Amazing ranch home nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac drive in the Dock Landing community. This beauty enjoys natural light and contemporary flair with its newly installed heavy-duty plank flooring throughout home, brand new kitchen with white and bright custom cabinetry, thick slab granite countertops, recessed lighting and a stainless steel appliance package, not to mention the fantastic storage and built-ins. Entire home freshly painted, updated bathrooms, new covered deck, large detached workshop with finished guest room above, fully fenced half-acre backyard and adorable storage shed with electricity. This is your new home. For more information, review the details below.